Marathon, go.
Just rub with one hand and just start.
I want to see a trick. Like, see the sticky note? That's my favorite things to do throughout the day. I normally rip one off, and then I'll normally scream Juliet at the top of my lungs, and she never like turns around. So what I'll do is I'll grab like 2 or 3 of these, like I find all the garbage on my desk, and then I just like shotgun it over, like. And then sometimes she turns around. Most of the time she doesn't, but it's okay.
Oh boy, things that I had to deal with.
Look who's ppf'ing today.
Hi. Hi. How you doing?
Why are you on this side of the shop today?
I don't know. They just asked me to do it. I don't know. I don't ask questions.
How long have you been ppf'ing?
On and off like a year. But I never get like straight time just doing it.
Do you enjoy it more than rapping?
Let's get wet. Yeah, it's fun. It's fun.
What's up?
Hi.
Oh, I can see you real quick.
Come here. It's a trick. So put your, what is this name? Charlie Chaplin stash part of it.
You should be able to walk forward when he does it.
Yeah. So go like this. I'll try to move forward. Alright. Keep going. Push. What's happening?
It stops you from moving.
It hurts.
It doesn't.
It did
it's
it
not
once
even
and
like. It's not even a ton of pain. Here, Ed, come here. Ed, get over here.
Why?
Let me see if you can walk.
Wait, hold on. So what do I have to do?
Walk forward.
Oh.
Oh.
That feels weird.
Wow. Well, that's our time, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
That's my bad side. This is my good side. This is my bad side. You know? How we have like the 2 sides to us.
This color is quite supreme.
What?
This color is quite supreme.
That's embarrassing.
Yeah.
Stop grabbing my chicho. Yeah, put some captions on that thing.
Question marks.
Question mark. Chicho. Salchicho.
I think it's time to go.
It's closing time. Well, thanks for watching. We appreciate y'all, most of y'all, all of y'all. But we appreciate these guys the most. That's all.
Like and subscribe. Dude.
Like and subscribe, please. Everything, Instagram, Facebook. We don't have a Twitter. Follow our TikTok. We got everything.
No.
Do I have to redo that now?
Yes.
Have you already reset it? Oh, be sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to check out our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all the fun stuff. See what we get to do. Lots of content incoming that we cannot wait to share it with y'all. Thanks for watching.
Good job.